doing today? We are on a Swiss franc dollar trade, US dollar Swiss franc. Here's a quick tip for you guys: the US dollar Swiss franc Forex pair. I've noticed it typically follows the US dollar supply and demand news. Okay, so it kind of follows the US dollar, and as you can see here, we're hitting our point of interest right now. And hopefully this trade will go into profit here. I never really do this, so I wanted to make a video about this. And my target is above here. I'm actually going to sell this. I'm actually looking to sell this pair here in the future soon. But the reason I entered here was because I saw a Wyckoff schematic. If you don't know what that is, it's basically how the market works. It's methodology of the market moving, because you know the market never moves just straight up. Okay, so the market moves up. It consolidates a little bit, then it expands, maybe it'll retrace a little bit, up, consolidate, expansion. And usually the market, when it goes downwards, it never just drops straight. The market can't just go straight. There's always like a hill, right? Okay, so when it drops like that, there's usually a consolidation above here, and then you see that break of structure there, then it drops, okay? Then we'll have like another one here, another redistribution, okay? And the reason, what's it called? Distribution and redistribution happen when you want to sell, when you're looking to sell in the market for profit. And accumulation happens when you're looking to buy. And reaccumulation happens when you're looking to buy as well. So accumulation happens at the bottom of the market. So if we're buying, accumulation's down, the market goes down, then it consolidates, right? Then it goes up, okay? That's a quick drawing to look at it. Then, what's it called? Reaccumulation is up, sideways, up. And that's what we're trading because we're looking to enter a buy position. And as you can see right here, my trade is currently in profit right now. And I have a small stop loss that allows me to do this because it's really precise. The method I'm trading is called the Wyckoff method, and then I added my own twist to it, and I also add supply and demand. But I'm not always right. I do lose trades at times, but sometimes I will get in to see how it goes based off my logic and also my intuition. And also most of the time I get into these trades when I see these like sideways consolidations because I usually know what that means. So what I'll do is so if you're buying the two trade setups that I take are accumulation, which is what we talked about, down, sideways, up, and reaccumulation. So the accumulation is number one, reaccumulation is number two, which is up, sideways, which is consolidation and expansion. And then I'll enter off of that retracement going upwards. And number one, I'll enter off of that retracement here. So you guys kind of get what I'm saying here. So these basically two models that I drew here are basically, I know it's bad, the drawing, are basically your two trade setups. Okay, when you're buying, and that's what I trade. And yeah, guys, you don't have to learn from me. You can actually go on YouTube and type in the Wyckoff method and learn some Wyckoff. But if you want to know like my exact certain time frames and specific shit like that, then just talk to me, message me. I have a private Discord. I don't have a course. I have a community though, and I have videos that are private that reveals obviously like my strategy and stuff. But for the most part, I like community better than courses because I want to actually be with people that actually like the trade, not just like, I know we all need our money and stuff, and I do too, but I genuinely like trading, and I like even in the future, like I even want to go, I'm not like the biggest trader, but I want to go to like certain entrepreneurial events and stuff like that and actually be a part of these things and actually go and meet other traders. And yeah, but a tip for me, I'm not gonna act like I know everything and I'm perfect and like a billionaire. But a tip for me that's really helped me is focus on the charts rather than the money, because when you focus on the charts, it basically will allow you to be consistent. And the reason is because when you're back testing and you're spotting your trade setups, like for example, say you have a strategy, right? Let's say you spot 3 trade setups a week, and you decide to spot three of your setups a week in the market and screenshot those setups and put them in a Discord server or a journal somewhere. You looking at those photos and looking at the market, that's gonna be that's basically gonna be a one-click memory. You see what I'm saying? You're gonna remember what you've learned based off of looking in the charts and taking those screenshots and constantly seeing your setup over and over again. And then that's how you get consistent trading, because there's no magic strategy. It's just a system that you have to learn and figure out, whether it's from YouTube or a mentor, and then you stick with that system. And it's not just any system. It has to be a system that is proven to work, and and there has to be a reason why it works and all this stuff. But for me, guys, this is just something that works for me. If I don't make it complicated like this, and if I don't take trade setups like this, what I will do is, sorry guys, what I will do is I'll take, let's make this more simple. I'll take supply and demand setup. So instead of this being consolidation zone, you could have just called this demand zone right here and entered off of this demand zone, right? And you could have literally just went like that. But yeah, I don't want to be make this too long, but I wanted to just show you guys what I'm basically doing in the trade I'm taking right now. This is actually live right now. I'm going to post this on my Instagram later. You guys will see the results and everything. It's in the comment section and below this video. And if you're watching this on TikTok or YouTube Reel or Instagram Reel, or if you're watching this on a short, yeah, you can take notes. So define setups like this. I will reveal something because I'm not a gatekeeper. The first thing you want to master is, I'll give you the secret. The first thing you want to master is market structure, and specifically market structure on the time frame that's high. Like for example, on a time frame that's high and low time frame. It doesn't matter which time frame it is. You should literally just go on the chart. And I'm gonna do this too. I have to also do this with you guys, because I still need to do market structure too. Like you see how we have this market structure going bullish here. Take the time to go on the chart and look at some pairs, and then go like this. Take your trading view and zoom out. Don't zoom in. Don't zoom in and do market structure. That's a major tip. Don't do this. Zoom out until it auto zooms. Okay, so zoom out until you can't anymore, and then it actually will reveal the true structure. And then what you can do is move the chart slightly like that, then put it on a line chart, and then you can do like this. Low, you have a high here, you have a high, you have a low, you have a high, we have a lower low, we have higher highs and higher highs and higher lows. And then you could just do that, and you can just do this. And then what I would do is take a screenshot of this and put it in a Discord server, or put it somewhere like your phone, and name the photo album Forex setups, Forex chart setups. And you can even do mine. You can do it right now. Screenshot this chart right here, and screenshot this. And if you're on an iPhone or Android, make a photo album if you guys don't have Discord, and put smart money Forex setups. And then what you can do is, if you want to be really labeled, make an album for each type of setup. So this is just market structure. This is just market structure right now. So you can make an album that says Forex smart money market structure. Or we can just put market structure and then put this. And then you can watch my YouTube videos or my videos and then screenshot the different examples that I say. Yeah, I'm not going to gatekeep any of this, guys. And also, my Discord is paid. It's not a lot of money, though. It's not $1,000. And no, it's not $400. It's not $300. It's not $200. It's not $100. It's not even $50, guys. It's literally, you can click it on my bio. I can't pull up right now because it's doing all this bullshit. But if you're wondering what that was, I'm watching an anime. I'm not gonna bullshit you guys. Yeah, I watch fucking anime and shit. I'm always looking. It's not what it looks like. It's not hentai or anything. I always watch fucking all kinds of shit. But yeah, I'm literally, yeah, I have all these tabs open. I literally have like this tab open, like watching all kinds of shit. But yeah, guys, yeah, so just do what I said. And if you have any questions, just send me a text on Instagram. Oh, sorry, I forgot to tell you guys the price. The price to my private Discord is $33 a month. It's not that expensive. It's not $100. And also, I have a thing where it only costs that much until you learn. Okay, so once you learn and you show me you learn and you post, you're posting in the group, you're actually achieving some kind of success, then I will cancel your membership. But I'm not saying I'll kick you out. Your membership, you'll still be in the group, but I won't make you pay anymore. And that's just how I do it. So you'll pay for your education and if you're learning, and then what you'll do is once you actually achieve what you want, which is your reason for joining the group in the first place, right, is to become consistent so you can make money to do what you want, right, or something else. And I don't know what you want that money for. I've given my reasons in other videos, but if you want to actually do something and build, I know this is a hard topic to explain because it's like deep for me, but and like actually like, make the world a better place and work on your projects you want to do and do big things and actually help the world in your own unique way using money as a fuel for a resource. Just yeah, guys, just keep going. Message me. I'll tell you anything you want. The only thing I'm not going to tell you is my full strategy, but I still will give you a lot of information because there's a lot. You can probably figure some of this out yourself also if you're experienced already. You don't need to necessarily join my group. You can just chill on my YouTube channel and also on my Instagram with everybody else. That's fine too. And you can also just message me. I'm not going to like disappear or anything. Just talk to me, guys. Message me. And yeah, I hope you guys all have a good day. We're going to see how this trade setup goes. I'm still in it right now. I'm going to post it on my Instagram later. You're going to see it. I'm not going to act like this is easy and it's like get rich quick or anything because I know everyone says that shit, but I'm being honest, you guys. This took me literally 4 years to figure out. The first couple of years, I was doing retail concepts with support resistance, and then I wasn't really that profitable, but then I just stumbled across a YouTube video. I was talking about smart money. I was like, what the hell is that? And it just showed me a different approach to like looking at the market. Like I knew there was like trend lines and stuff, but I didn't know there was like the market structure. The market structure is really what changed everything. But I'm still learning and just doing what I can, guys. But yeah, if you have any questions, ask them here. I'm a human just like you. I go through stuff too. I'm just an average, regular person, not some big shot. I just trade Forex and do a bunch of. It's not even the only thing I do. I do a bunch of other stuff too. But I like being diverse with a bunch of things. But the reason why I like Forex is because it teaches you about economics and about the world, and it also it's very visual. And I'm a visual person when I learn, so I think for me, it's oh yeah, there it is right there. I want to show you guys this trade here, by the way. This was a trade I did. Like here, you see that drawing here? You see how it's down, sideways, down, down, schematic, down. It's the opposite of this, up, schematic, up. Or when you're selling, it's down, sideways, which is consolidation, down. Down, consolidation, we had there, and then down. And then we had a correction, which price came up to, which was here. Came to that correction, and it looks like it's nonsense because people are used to trading retail and having stop losses that are crazy. But when you're trading smart money, you're obviously going to have a smaller stop loss because you're trading with institutions and banks. I don't think they would want to personally have. They're really exact, and that's what I like about Wyckoff because it makes you have trades like this. It's not really a strategy. It just Wyckoff basically is just how the market actually works. It's about supply and demand. It's a reflection of supply and demand, and it uses real data and real analytical things. Like for example, volume right here. Like you see the volume chart. Volume is a good indicator because it's not like a fake indicator. It's an actual reflection of the capital in the market. So that's considered the smart money indicator. It's the only indicator I use. I used to use the RSI, but I don't really use it that much. I don't really use it that much anymore. I don't really use the RSI that much anymore. But yeah, I know I'm kind of just talking here, but I kind of like doing this. It feels like some podcast shit, guys. It's actually kind of cool. I mean, I know I'm like nerding out and shit, but I actually kind of, I know I actually kind of like doing this shit with you guys. Like I like sitting here and just fucking talking and shit. It's kind of fun because I don't even have a lot of friends like that. Like I don't have any. Like I literally have no friends at all. But I am grateful that I get to make videos and that I'm blessed that I get to have a computer and a phone to be able to make videos that you guys can watch, that I can communicate this to you. And I'm not trying to be all mushy and but I'm just being honest with how I felt. That's all. But yeah, guys, I kind of I might make this a podcast shit. I might just come on here to talk. I might just come on here I might not even have a setup next time. I might just come on here just to talk. I'll literally use the fucking Trading View fucking blank shit here and make a story just to fucking like, oh, let's talk about men and how society. I'll literally do that kind of shit. But I'm like, let's talk about school systems and how blah 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 and money and blah, blah, blah. I'll just do some shit like that. But I know I'm being a little weird. You guys are probably gonna unsubscribe after you're listening to the way I'm acting. You're like, oh no, you're done. You're probably like, you're done. But yeah, guys, I like to have fun. I'm a goofy guy because I've been through a lot of pain, so I don't have much. I'm not really vulnerable. I mean, I'm vulnerable, but I'm not really like trying to act cool and be tough and get people to like me because I just been through too much to kind of protect that side of me, if you know what I'm saying. Like I don't need to protect anything or hide myself because I've had myself broken so many times and opened so many times that that's why I'm such an open person, you see. So that's why I'm not afraid of being like this. And still, like, I have boundaries too. It's like I get mad at people. I'm not perfect, but I'd rather just be open with people because no one is really open these days. But yeah, guys, I hope you guys are all good. I appreciate you guys watching my YouTube videos, and peace. I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Subscribe, by the way. Peace.